Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome to my InfoMaster channel. Today I am going to tell you interesting general knowledge questions of kids about nursery class. I hope this is very interesting video for your kids. Before start this question, I request all of you please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you. Now let's start our questions. Question number 1. How many months do we have in a year? 12 months, 12 महीने. How many days do we have in a week? 7 days. Question number 3. How many days are there in a year? 365 days. Question number 4. Write the name of 5 colors: red, orange, white, black, blue. Question number 5. How many hands do we have? 2 hands. Question number 6. What is the shape of a cricket ball? Round shape. Question number 7. Which is the smallest bird? Hummingbird. Question number 8. Which is the tallest animal on the earth? Giraffe. Zirafa. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? 26 letters. In which direction does the sun rise? East. Question number 11. Which is the largest flower in the world? Rafflesia flower. Which are the vowels in the English alphabet? 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Question number 13. How many hours in one day? 24 hours. Question number 14. Which animal is called king of the jungle? Lion. Question number 15. How many bones does an adult human body have? 206 bones. Question number 16. Which insect has colorful wings? Butterfly. Which birds eat fish? Kingfisher and crane. Question number 18. What is the color of sky? Blue color. Question number 19. Which animal has no brain? Corals and jellyfish. Question number 20. Which animals has 9 hearts? Octopus. I hope viewers you will like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like and share my video with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.